Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to see one other viewers on Facebook story. Open your Facebook app. Here you can see your stories and other friends posted stories in the top of all. Tap on this Your Story option in here. Then you can see your posted stories in here. Now you can see this icon in the bottom. It shows about people who have seen your story. Next, tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then you need to go to Edit Story Privacy option in here. Now you need to go to this custom option. So here you can see your all friends in Facebook. Then you can choose only the friends you want to show your stories. After you select your friends, then go back again and click on this save button in here. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.